Check out the real homemade liposuction that works. You've seen this before, haven't you? I bet you have. Those homemade liposuction methods. They pop up on your feed, shared by everyone with titles that scream, "Dry your belly in 3 days. Lose 7 kilos with this miracle drink." We see them, feel that little glimmer of hope and think, what if it works? But at the same time, a little voice deep down always suspects, is this true? The desire to find a quick solution for localized fat is enormous. I understand perfectly. But the stark truth is that many of these viral recipes are not just a waste of time. They can be really dangerous. In this video, we're going to do things differently. We're going to dive headfirst into the world of homemade liposuction. We're going to debunk the most popular lies you see out there. And most importantly, I'm going to show you the one and only true homemade lipo that really works to burn fat safely, effectively, and best of all, permanently. If you're fed up with empty promises and want a result that really lasts, you've come to the right place. Before we begin, I want you to think of the most bizarre homemade lipo recipe you've ever encountered. Keep that image in mind, because today we're going to separate the wheat from the chaff, the fiction from the science. We're going to demolish these myths so you never again waste your time, your money, or worse, your health on tricks that don't work. The investigation, debunking viral myths. Let's start with the audience champion, the myth that seems like a zombie. No matter how many years pass, it always comes back. The technique of wrapping yourself in plastic wrap. Myth 1. Plastic wrap and plaster liposuction. The promise is almost irresistible. You apply a slimming cream, massage it in, wrap yourself tightly in plastic wrap, sometimes with bandages or even a cast, and stay there, waiting for a miracle. After an hour, you unwrap everything and, wow! The measuring tape says you've lost 3, 4, maybe 5 centimeters in your waist. It's magic, right? Completely wrong and dangerous. What really happens here has absolutely nothing to do with burning fat. What you're doing is creating a private greenhouse in your belly. Your body, heated and suffocated by the plastic, does the only thing it can. It sweats. You are forcing water loss in that specific area. Think of your waist as a sponge full of water. If you squeeze the sponge hard, the water drains out and it becomes visibly smaller. But the sponge itself hasn't changed. As soon as you immerse it in water again, it swells and returns to its original size. That's exactly what happens to your waist. The centimeters you lost are just water. The moment you drink a glass of water or have your next meal, they come back. It's an illusion of results, a temporary and totally useless loss for real fat. And worse than being ineffective, this practice brings risks. All this suffocation can cause skin irritations, dermatitis, rashes, and even folliculitis, which is inflammation of the follicles. In other words, you're not burning fat, you're just dehydrating and damaging your skin. So, the next time you see someone promising a manual lipo with plastic wrap, remember the sponge. It's a cheap trick that takes advantage of your desire for immediate results, but delivers nothing of value. Myth 2. The belly fat burning, shakes and drinks. Now let's move on to the second major pillar of false promises, miracle drinks. These are the famous detox shakes or cup lipo, which go viral on social media. The classic recipe usually includes oats, chia seeds, a banana, water, and sometimes a touch of cinnamon or lemon. The promise? Replace a meal with this drink and you'll flatten your belly in 7 days. Let's be honest here. Are these ingredients on their own healthy? Yes, most are. Oats have fiber that provides satiety. Chia seeds are another powerhouse of fiber and omega-3s. The banana provides energy. So, what's the problem? The problem lies in the promise and the way they say it works. First, no food or drink has the magical power to melt localized fat. Fat doesn't work that way. Your body doesn't decide to burn belly fat just because you drank a specific shake. Fat loss is a whole body process. When it needs energy, it draws it from its fat reserves in general, following a pattern that your genetics and hormones have already decided. Second, the miracle of these shakes is pure mathematics, and it's temporary. Most of these recipes have about 300 calories. If you replace a 700-calorie dinner with this shake, it's obvious that you create a calorie deficit and may even lose weight if you maintain it. But the magic isn't in the shake, it's in the calorie reduction. You would get a similar result if you swapped your dinner for a salad with grilled chicken. The deception is making you believe that the combination of those ingredients has a superpower to burn fat, which is scientifically false. And there's more. The excess of fiber all at once, for those who are not used to it, can have the opposite effect. Bloating, gas, and a lot of abdominal discomfort. Comparing this to a serious procedure like cryolipolysis is absurd. Cryolipolysis uses controlled cooling to destroy fat cells, which are eliminated by the body over months. It's a complex process at the cellular level. A shake, however nutritious it may be, is just food. It can't do that. Therefore, these shakes don't flatten your belly. At best, they are a low-calorie snack within a well-thought-out meal plan, but they are not, by any means, the magic solution they promise. The revelation, the real homemade liposuction that works. Okay? Now that we've debunked what doesn't work, you must be wondering, so what do I do? Is all hope lost? What is this homemade lipo that really works? Yes, it exists, but I need to be brutally honest with you. It's not a cream, it's not plastic, and it's not a drink. It's something much more powerful, but it requires one thing that magic solutions skip: commitment. The real homemade lipo is not a product, it's a protocol. A three-pillar system that, when combined, transforms your body into a fat-burning machine efficiently and permanently. Forget the shortcuts. This is the way. Pillar 1, strategic nutrition, the intelligent caloric deficit. The most important concept to understand fat loss is the caloric deficit. It sounds technical, but it's ridiculously simple. Think of your body as a car. Calories are the fuel. Every day, to live, breathe, and think, your body uses a certain amount of fuel. Food is what you put in the tank. If you put in the same amount as you consume, the tank stays the same. You maintain your weight. If you put in more fuel than you consume, the excess leaks out and is stored. In the body, this reserve is fat. You gain weight. Now, if you put in slightly less fuel than your body needs, it's forced to use its emergency reserve. That reserve is your body fat. This is a calorie deficit, consistently eating slightly fewer calories than your body burns. A healthy and sustainable deficit, usually around 500 calories a day, can lead to a safe weight loss of half a kilo to 1 kilo per week. But calorie deficit is not synonymous with starving yourself. On the contrary, it means making smarter choices. This is where strategic eating comes in. It's a re-education, not a crazy diet. You need to focus on foods that leave you satisfied and nourished with fewer calories. This means prioritizing lean proteins, chicken, fish, eggs, yogurt. Protein is your #1 ally because it uses more energy to digest and protects your muscles during weight loss, keeping your metabolism accelerated. Fiber, vegetables, greens, fruits, whole grains. Fiber keeps you feeling full for longer, preventing that urge to snack on junk food. Good fats, avocado, nuts, olive oil, they are essential for your hormones and also greatly help with satiety. The secret is in the swaps. Instead of white bread, whole wheat bread. Instead of soda, sparkling water with lemon. Instead of a sugary dessert, a piece of fruit. And the shakes? This is where they can come in, the right way. A banana and oat shake isn't a cup of fat, but it's a great 300-calorie breakfast that gives you energy and fits perfectly into your plan. It's a tool, not magic. Pillar 2, Smart exercise, speed up your metabolism. The second pillar is exercise, but not just any exercise. I'm not talking about spending 2 hours on the treadmill watching a series. I'm talking about smart exercise. The most efficient way to burn fat, especially when you have little time, is to combine strength training with high-intensity interval training, the famous HIIT. Strength training, weightlifting, calisthenics, using body weight, is fundamental. Why? Because the more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns at rest. Muscles are like small engines that are always on, burning fuel, even when you are sleeping. Building muscle is the key to a fast metabolism in the long term. HIIT alternates peaks of very intense exercise with short recovery periods. For example, 30 seconds of running in place at the highest speed you can handle, followed by 30 seconds of light walking. Repeat this for 15 to 20 minutes. The magic of HIIT is in the afterburn effect. The intensity is so high that even after the workout, your metabolism continues to be accelerated for hours, burning extra calories to recover. And the best part? You don't need a gym. You can do a killer workout at home. Want 3 exercises that destroy calories? 1. Burpees. They're king. Squat, push-up, and jump, all in one movement. Works the whole body and gets your heart pumping. 2. Jump squat. Take a squat, which is already great, and add an explosion at the end. Burns many more calories and develops power. 3. Mountain climbers. In a plank position, you run without moving from the spot. Fantastic for the abs and for keeping your heart rate high. Set up a circuit, 40 seconds of one exercise, 20 seconds of rest, and move on to the next. Repeat the circuit 4 or 5 times. In less than 20 minutes, you've done a more powerful fat-burning workout than an hour of light cardio. Pillar 3, consistency, the secret ingredient. You can have the best diet plan and the best workout in the world, but if you only do it when you feel like it, it won't work. The third and most important pillar is consistency. Consistency is the secret ingredient that all miracle recipes forget to tell you. There are no lasting results without it. Period. Think of this protocol as your daily treatment. Your dose of strategic nutrition. Your smart exercise pill, about 4 or 5 times a week. And 2 more vital components, water and sleep. Drinking water is crucial for metabolism, and sleeping 7 to 9 hours a night regulates hunger hormones. Poor sleep sabotages all your efforts. This leads us to a final and very serious point, the danger of chemical shortcuts. In their eagerness for results, many resort to slimming teas and capsules. Beware, many of these products sold online are not inspected and may contain dangerous substances, such as amphetamines or potent diuretics. Tragic cases, such as that of Nurse Mara Abreu, who died from liver complications after consuming a slimming tea of 50 herbs, are a very serious warning. She developed fulminant hepatitis, needed a liver transplant, but didn't survive. It's not worth risking your life for a promise of quick weight loss. Real transformation is a process, not a magic trick. The beauty of this 3-pillar protocol is that it works. The result may not come in 3 days, but in 4, 8, 12 weeks, you will see and feel a real difference that is here to stay. You won't just be losing weight, you'll be building health, strength, and a new lifestyle. So let's summarize. The real homemade lipo isn't a concoction you put on your skin or drink. It's a smart system. Eating strategically, training intensely, and being consistent in everything, including sleeping well and staying hydrated. Stop chasing magical shortcuts that only make you waste time, hope, and sometimes your health. The power to transform your body isn't in a jar, it's already inside you. Now I want to hear from you. Remember the question from the beginning? What was the most absurd homemade lipo recipe you've ever seen or tried? Share it in the comments. Let's expose these lies together and help more people avoid falling for these stories. If this video gave you an insight and you're ready to focus on what really works, do yourself a favor. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And please share this video with that person who's always trying out these crazy things. Let's spread the truth and build real results together.